have THORChain, RUNE, symbol RUNE. So it's THORChain, symbol RUNE, RUNE versus the dollar, being requested by Mr. Reese Crib. He's looking at on the 240. Okay, you're looking at a 4-hour and a daily. We're going to do a general overview of this one. This one's actually rather interesting right here because it is having a continuation of current trend, which is obviously to the upside. You even have a bit of a inverted head and shoulders reversal pattern going on in the bottom right here. It's sloppy as all hell, but I've kind of learned to accept that in cryptocurrency land. And as long as this thing is especially above the 200 simple, which is essentially where your higher low is coming in at right now, just under $10, or sorry, just under $9 or so. I am looking for this one to continue with current trend. We do see all major moving averages are actually not in a bullish posturing. The 10 symbol is not there just yet. Short term, a little bit of consolidation. I suspect that we are building up some sort of divergences right here. And are we? Is that confirmed? Yes, we will have hidden bullish divergence between this point and this point. If this does start to confirm a local low right here, which maybe we go down to a short term time frame to get this one. Yeah, 12 hours is going to show this one rather obviously. Anywhere above the 30th of August high right here, which was 1043. I would be looking for a short-term resolution of this one with targets back up to about 1130 to 1140 or so. We do have hidden bullish divergence of several drives on the 12-hour RSI, also getting back above the exponential right there as well. And this whole consolidation is coming on declining volatility as it does set in yet again a higher low. So I look at this as trend continuation again, first and foremost. Looking pretty damn good here actually for what it's worth. 3-day closing above all major moving averages, which is, you know, typically not a bad thing. And the monthly, how did this one close? Closed okay. If this one does have a bit of a downside in September, I do think max down is probably $8. But going back on over here, I would only be looking for that if this one, if this one starts to close dailies below about 930 or so. Sorry, before I said below $9, it'd be about below about 930 or so. Anyways, for right now, I don't think that that's what's happening right here, but that'd be my criteria for switching it up and getting bearish on this one for moves down to $8 and beyond. Short-term time frames like a 4-hour, we do have a fresh jewel, fresh jewel signal right here to the upside. So we got momentum plus DMI and also volatility. If we start to see this expand as well, which is very, very low right now, very fucking low, which does look like it is going to, we'd have trend, momentum, and of course volatility all in the same, all of the same type. And while I would be looking for a move towards 1130 to 1140, I suspect that this one would just generally continue on, over the next week or two. It looked pretty damn good, and I would be looking for moves up somewhere around about 14 to $15 or so, and then come back to it after that. It's actually it's actually one of the more interesting charts, to be fair, because it has been just generally up since this one's inception in 2019. So it actually does have a decent history right there. Not bad for Thor.